Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and let's go over Instagram stories first. So go to your Instagram app and create a story by swiping your screen to the right. Then take a photo or a video or select media from your camera roll. Then from here, click the music icon at the top of your screen and then select the song either from the For You suggestions, or you may also use the search feature and choose a specific part of a song that you want to add to your story, and you may also change the duration. So you can choose the design, and once you click done, you are free to move around the music sticker. So you may resize it like this, move it around, and once you're satisfied, feel free to share the story to your followers. For Instagram Reels, select the Reel option and at the left of your screen, choose Audio. Same process, choose a song and choose the part of the song that you want to feature and click done. So you can now record the video or add videos from your camera roll. Once you're done, click next. After recording, you can still add or change the music by tapping the music icon at the top of your screen. And yeah, just choose a song that you think will fit your Instagram reel better. And again, same process. Select the part of the song that you want to feature and choose the design of the music sticker. And once you're satisfied with the reel, just hit next. And you may modify your reel accordingly and then hit share. Now for Instagram posts, in your homepage, click the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and then select the photo or video from your camera roll that you want to post and then hit next at the top right corner of your screen. Click next again after you found the filter and then click add music. And then same process, choose a song from the suggested list, or you may search by name or artist. So choose the song that you feel will fit the post that you're about to share. Again, select the duration and the part of the song that you want to feature. Once you're satisfied, click share at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how you can easily add music in any of your Instagram posts, stories, and reels. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!